This is Juliet Hope. I am going to make some homemade furniture polish today. It is so simple. I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil in here. And I've got a 1/4 cup of vinegar, white vinegar. And then I'm going to pour in a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, I'm going to get this. I'm going to stir this up. I'm putting it this in a little bowl, and that way I can put it lid on it and keep it. All right, now I'm going to set this off and get over at the table. I've got it over here at the table, and I'm going to put it on my table in front of the front window. Get my rag here. I'm just going to nip that in there and then polish it. Move this over. This will save you money on furniture polish. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I found this recipe. Then I go back and wipe off the excess all with the dry cloth, which the other end of it was dry. And that shines so good. This is an antique table that my mother found at an auction back, 50-something years ago. And it's just beautiful. It's got, it has got edging around it. Mom would find them and Daddy'd fix them and make them look like new. But that looks so good. Just shines. Might as well do this table over here on the TV too. I've got my TV. Haven't got a light over here, but maybe y'all can look at it. So that, if you like my videos, just like and subscribe and share and comment and hit that little bell if you want to be notified when I have another video. Thank you for watching.